Hi there, it's Sam from Pootles.co.uk. Thank you very much for joining me today and on a Saturday at the beginning of the month. Yes, I'm actually getting cards in the mail to me correct this month. I didn't forget. Do you know what? February always goes by so quickly. But anyway, just wanted to share some cards with you. I've got a whole host. I've got a box full here. So I want to share them with you. So this one came through from my team leader because I celebrated my 9th stamp anniversary on Tuesday of this week. So she sent me this in the post, which is very sweet. So I'm sharing that one, but I also wanted to share this one from Oliver. So we had Mothering Sunday last week here in the UK. That was on Sunday the 27th. And at school, Oliver, who is my almost 11-year-old, he made this card for me at school. So shout out to the teacher who taught 30, 10 and 11-year-olds how to do quilling, because that's impressive. Do you know what? The lights are picking up the glow in the background. In real life, you can't actually really see that, but yeah, all that quilling going on. So very proud of him for that. And I love the card. I think it's just gorgeous. And then obviously he's written inside, but I gave the school a whole load of pens that I had that I just wasn't using. And this is one of those ones that does metal with a coloured outline. There we go. And apparently the teacher got all of the children to use those pens that I'd given them, which was really sweet. Right, I've got some more birthday cards. It was my birthday on the 13th of March. So I've had some more birthday cards that came through after my birthday. So I've got these ones. So this one is from... oh, I can't open it. There we go. Sam on my team. This one is Ivy, so she sent this one from Germany, so this came a couple of days after my birthday. And then I love this one. This is Anthony, who is on my team as well. Love the rainbow. Okay, and then I've got these ones here. Why did I keep the envelope of that? I'm not sure. So lovely thank you card there from Lorna. Love the glittery butterflies. Very sweet. And then a little fancy fold here, and this one is from Natsy on my team. Nice little card there with my swirl on the back. Love it. Okay, so I've got one here, and this has been all stamped on the outside as well. And then this beautiful box, so this is Daggy on my team in Germany, and this box was absolutely stuffed full of little Lindt chocolates. Very nice, and she's used my sentimental swirl stamp set for that. It was all fully loaded inside, and yes, the boys did enjoy eating them, so thank you, because the note says to share with the children, and I did. I was very good. Nice little surprise there. And I've got some more here. So I've got vouchers that were being... was this vouchers or something else? I don't remember now. So I've got a little fancy fold card here. Can you see how that goes? So it's like a double easel. So very clever. Little kitty cats. So sweet. It's from Jez. What did she say there? Yes, she made rainbow kitty cats for me. And then this one, actually that had chocolates inside that got eaten. And that goes with this one here. Look at all the biscuits. Yummy, yummy biscuits with a nice tag on it. And that one went with it. Yeah, that had chocolates inside. Let me move those. And then bring in these. Pretty, very pretty rainbow. That's Alison on my team, so she sent this over from France for me. Love it with the butterflies. And then this one, very glittery, Valerie. And I don't know if you can see it, there's a little shimmer just on that part. I think the team know I like a bit of sparkle along with rainbow. Jenny, who I believe Jenny sent me those. Little sparkles on there. So Jenny sends a little treat pretty much every month. Lee, as she was cashing in vouchers. Oh, focus on me, not everything in the background. There we go. Like the little sequins, they're very cute. Okay. Oh, this is vouchers. Somebody, oh, I need those. So those are vouchers. I do a team voucher scheme, and then I have this. So I earned the Baltic. I can't remember. I want to say I earned it in February. Yeah, beginning of February. So yeah. Oh yes, that's it. Some of these are February ones because I forgot to do them. So that was from my team leader. So that's the incentive trip, and then in here is a charm for my charm bracelet, and it's, I don't know if you can see that. It's going to focus on the background. There we go. It's a little Russian doll. So those are the ones that sort of nest inside each other. There's sort of like 4 or 5 of them usually. Pop that over there. And more cards. Oh, look at the ice creams. That's so cute. Who's this one from? Paper Knights. Oh, it's Jane. Jane on my team. I like that with just the glitter on one side. This, I'm guessing, goes with that. Yes, it's Joanne on my team. Loving the rainbow. This is a, this had vouchers in it. So this is, it's like 2 envelopes put together that closes up like that. Very clever. And then this one is Jean. And she's thanking me for giving her back her inspiration. I don't know if I inspire anybody. I hope I do. And then I've got a few more. So there's a card there using my stamp set. That's Helen. Very sweet. Love that. And this one is Sue on my team, and she's layered all of this. Very pretty. And this one is Rachel, who cashed in some vouchers, but she also put this together for me. She found rainbow washi and then she wrapped it round a bookmark for me. And this is fabulous stuff. I don't know if you can see what I'm on. I've got this paper as my background now in my mad attempts to try and neutralise what's going wrong with my camera. And it's on a roll, so it's held down with washi at the moment, and obviously I use it for my die cutting. So brilliant. So all sorts of amazingness here from February and March. And yeah, seriously, shout out to the teacher who taught all those children how to do quilling. Apparently they've got quilling tools. Oh, and my husband's ringing me. Anyway, thank you ever so much for joining me. Hope to speak to you very soon. Bye.